So we are talking about the selection or the running of a program. Here, get these two. Here, when I talk about the mouse, I just mean one of the two. Either you run a program using the left click or the right click, or select the program using the left click or the right click. Then the scroll ball or the tracking ball, whatever name that they give it, I don't care about language. This one is used to scroll. This one, this ball track. It is used to scroll. When I tell you, can you scroll with that ball? You should be able to use it. Some mouse don't have that. Especially the old types of mouse that we used to. Microsoft created some of them. So we have left and right clicking. Left and right clicking. Get it? When you are done, tell me or ask me.
And mouse is used for?
Clicking or running. Running or selecting. In short, it means the same. The mouse is used for clicking. But clicking doesn't produce the same results. So there are two functions there. It either runs a program or that application that you are selecting, or it selects. To select means that it can have different options. When it selects, it can as well run. Anyway, we'll go practical on these two parts. Then the second part we are looking at is the keyboard. This one, B. Maybe before I go to the keyboard, how far have you gone with the mouse?
The mouse, like what I said. Me, I don't want to lie. This lesson that I'm doing is like I'm starting afresh. Regarding me, taking me to say I don't know anything, and I'm starting from the ground. Because if I lie to, okay, I could have known that this is this. But like what you said,
yes.
If you don't know how to operate these things,
yes.
Even if you would have idea of something else, that is something is like
you've seen the mouse. That's a mouse. It is in a form of like a mouse, the same original rat kind of mouse. They made it. It has both left and right. You can see I'm clicking. Where I'm clicking, you don't care. Then there's a bow. This is the one you've seen it, for scrolling. This one is used for selecting or clicking. Or running, either. You can use any. As you click, you are either running or selecting, as I said. As you click, you can write that statement so that it gave you an understanding. So you can say that as you click, you are either running or selecting. There are two things. Whether it is Windows operating system, which is Microsoft, or Macintosh, or Apple, whatever operating system that you are using, or Ubuntu, or whatever, their main programming languages, they've created different OS.
As you click, you are either
selecting or running. Running is not to kutamanga. Running, I'm going to explain a little bit about running. Running a program means, in programming languages, executing. But as well, when you say executing, you are meaning doing some responsibility. But I'll take it in that way. We'll be talking about the execution of a program, what it means when we go practical. For now, we should know that the mouse is used for that. When you are ready, tell me that I am ready.
Okay. I'm done.
Hmm?
I'm done.
No questions?
Now on this mouse, there is a left or right.
Yes.
Meaning,
Hmm?
meaning this is used for selecting, isn't it? Left
Selecting or running, yes.
Select or running. Meaning you can select it from left to or right.
It depends the settings of that computer.
Okay.
Some settings, especially programmers, prefer it the other way. But most when they come as new computers, they come in default. Right clicking is normally running.
Okay.
Left clicking is executing or selecting.
Okay.
Huh? No, the other way. I said right click. When somebody said right click, it is your right side. So you are going to bring selectors. That's selection.
No. When you set right click, then
I will not. That one won't be permanent the way it is. I'm giving you just an option. When you right click, you are selecting. You are bringing selections. When you are left clicking, you are actually running the command or executing. If it's, for example, a folder, when we come to spreadsheets, that's where we are going to talk about folders and other stuff. So for now, I don't want to confuse you with grammar.
Right click, you are selecting. Left click,
you are running or executing. Put it in brackets. You've seen the spelling of executing. EX E CUT, executing, execute, ING. We are going to go practical on this one. I just wanted to feed your brain with these components. Before we go to the mouse, can we go to the mouse now? The mouse is also an input device. The mouse is also an input device. Oh, sorry, I'm talking about the keyboard.
the keyboard.
Yeah, the keyboard is also an input device. Let me draw something. There are numbers here. 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F1, F2, F3, up to 12. There are function keys. There are letters of the alphabet and numbers. That's what is composed of the keyboard.
The function keys.
The function keys, and there are numbers and letters. You understand those three things, eh? Numbers and letters. Numbers we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. letters A, B, C, D, F, G up to Z. Function keys. We are going to talk about them later. I don't want to say anything about function keys. And then we have got special characters, like full stop, special characters. This one I'm not writing any notes for this. Just write them on my mouth. Special characters like point, comma, colon, semicolon, quotation mark, exclamation mark, question mark, open brackets, close brackets, left triangle, right angle, not triangle, left angle or right angle. Are we together?
Yes, sir.